This is a joke on Karen and Hannah. While watching this, picture everything they do as if they were sitting on a toilet.
Riding a motorcycle. On a really curvy road. Now you're now you're on a roller coaster. Now you're picking up a heavy box.
What?
You're picking up a heavy box.
A heavy box?
Now you're a cheerleader.
Rah-rah-ree! Kick him in the knee!
What's that one?
Okay, now act like you're giving birth.
Okay. Got it, Pop.
Okay, now stand up.
I can't stand up.
Yeah, now you can because I
No,
told
the
you.
rule was not to stand up.
No, because I'm telling you, you can stand up.
Sit in the chair with me.
Okay, now. No, not sit down. Okay, now stand over here. Now this is a bowl of soup, a giant bowl of soup. And you have to season it and like smell it and tell us what it smells like and what it tastes like and that kind of stuff. Okay? It's magic. It's a giant bowl of soup.
I'm cooking, woo woo woo. Chicken noodle.
What's it smell like?
It smells like chicken. Everything smells and tastes like chicken. What else? What did you do?
We were all picturing you on a toilet.
How about that sound effect?
Okay, now act like you're on a motorcycle on a really curvy road. What? Just do
What
it.
sound effect?
Really curvy road.
Really?
Okay, now you're on a roller coaster.
That's riding a horse. Like
There's a roller coaster on a really bumpy track.
Now you're picking up a really heavy box.
Look at me. Our back.
Oh.
Now you're a cheerleader.
Woo! SP! How you spell
I-R.
I-R-I-T! Woo! Spirit, let's hear it!
Now you're giving birth.
She's never give birth. It's not funny. It is definitely not funny.
Okay.
But you are. Come on, Chris.
Okay, now stand up.
You told me not to stand
But
up.
I'm telling you
That's
now
your
to stand up.
question.
No. The chair is now magically a bowl of soup. You have to season it and smell it and taste it and tell us what it smells and tastes like.
Look at Beth when you
Season it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm seasoning it with stuff that you season soup with.
Stupid.
Okay, what else?
You have to smell it and tell us what it smells like and taste it.
I'll
Tell us
waft
what
it.
it's
That's what
okay.
it's called, right?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, it's
Waft.
waft.
Walk.
Well,
Oh. I thought waft, okay?
2 wafts, you're out. Waft. You're waft out.
Okay, smell and tell us what it smells like.
Smells like strawberries. Strawberry soup. What?
Strawberry soup.
Strawberry soup?
You know, taste it. Tell us what it tastes like.
Raspberries.
Hey, raspberry soup. We were all picturing everything you did on a toilet.
What? You said